My name is John Harrington, and I am an underwater cinematographer based out of San Diego, California. Over the last 6 years or so, my team and I have been utilizing the power of Keldon technology in underwater environments spanning the globe. When shooting wildlife, especially in the ocean, things happen extremely quickly, and most of the time you have a matter of seconds to prepare for a dive. These lights are extremely small for their power output, easy to use and mount, and slim enough to not add too much weight to an already bulky camera system. Reliability, power, and consistency is key when working in these harsh conditions. And whether it be the warm and clear waters of the Caribbean or the cold green seas of Alaska, Keldon's products have become our go-to system in any and all diving conditions. And the results have been just fantastic.